Good morning, students. Let's start our second chapter, Windows 7. So, our second chapter is Windows 7, where we will learn all the features of Windows 7. But in my computer, I don't have Windows 7 right now. So, I will tell you all the features of Windows 10, which are very much similar to the Windows 7. Let's start. Click on Start button. Then go to the apps. Then you can see all the apps available here. You can click on any app to open them. See, I have clicked on Microsoft Office. Then I have clicked on Microsoft. I can click on my Word or anything to access it. Then I can click on Windows accessories to access Notepad, Paint, or WordPad. Now if you want to access File Explorer, you have to go to File Explorer. From here you can access this PC. From this PC you can access different drives and different folders, as you can see. Now let's go to the system properties first. Clicking on the system properties, we can see the different properties of our computer. Now let's go to any file or folder so we can easily see the different view mode that we can have. Let's start. Now click on extra large icons. Now I can see the preview of the image in large mode, and I can see the file name of the image, what is the name of the file. Then large icon, the image has become smaller, means view has become smaller, preview, and the image name is there but no details. Medium icon, my image has become more smaller, means the preview of the image has become more smaller and the image name is only there. Then small icons, only the name of the image is there and small icons are there. And in the list also, only name of the icon is there and list is there. But while clicking on the details, I can see the size, I can see the what kind of file is this. And clicking on the tiles, I can see the same thing in the tile mode, and the view of the image is also there, preview of the image. And in the content view, if I click on the content view, I can see the size of the file, I can see when it is modified, what kind of file is this, and name of the image is also there, and the preview of the image is also there. Now let's start. Now let's see how to change date and time. Click on the right hand side in the down below. See, there is date and time available. Click on that. Then go to date and time settings. Click on that, and then different time zones are available. You can select on any time zone to select the time. You can select um, presently we are using Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai time schedule, and you can change the date format also, time format also. So we have to go down below. We can set our time automatically if required, if we have the internet connection. If you click on it, it will be automatically set. Then go to date, change date and time settings. Here you can select different formats for the time and also for the dates, how you want to see the time and date. Then you can click on go to control panel. You have to just type down below. See, this is the large icon mode view. You can see the category also. In the category there are 8 categories available. We have to go to ease of access center for modifying different settings of our computer. Now you can go to font option. Then you can change different fonts from here. Here some fonts are already included. You can delete them or you can include them in your settings. You can see the view of the fonts also by clicking on it. Now again we will go back to control panel. We will now see some more settings like changing our mouse option or keyboard option, how to change them. Go to ease of access, then click on ease of access center.
Always scan this
Then you
section.
can see the various options available. Go to make the mouse easier to use. Then you can click on the turn on mouse keys. Then you can select the different speed. If you select this turn on mouse keys, what will happen when your mouse is not working, you can use your keyboard to work on the computer by using the
Always
numpad
scan this
keys.
section.
Now again go to ease of access center.
Always scan this
There you
section.
can select
Start on screen
start
keyboard.
on screen keyboard. When your keyboard is not working, you can type from here using your mouse to type some letters or words in your Wattpad file or Notepad file. Now if you want to change your mouse setting, you can go to make the mouse easier to use again, then select mouse setting. Then you can see the different options. You can select the pointer style also. Here it is not available in my version of Windows. Then you can make the double click speed fast or slow. Means when you're clicking on the folder, the speed how you will click on the folder, you can select that also. If you make it fast, it will be you have to click fast to open the folder, and when you will make it slow, it will take if you click if there is a gap between the first click and the second click, then also it will work when you will make it slow. As you can see, I have made it slow. Better to make it medium so that you can work easily. Then you can go to pointer options. See, display pointer trails. Using this option, you can see the trails of your pointer. When you will work in the computer, it will means left a trail from where it is moving. Then again, you can go to control panel. See, more pointer options are available. Pointer speed. So what is a pointer speed? Your pointer, how you want to move it, fast or slow, you can select it from here. If you make it slow, it will move very slow. You cannot work properly. Those who are not comfortable with the fast mode, you can select the slow mode. Better to make it medium. Now let's see more settings that we can change in our computer. Go to control panel, then go to ease of access, or no, go to category option. You can make it large icon, then go to file explorer options. Here we can change single click to display or double click to display. When we will click the single click, what will happen? When we will make a single click only, then only our folder will open with a single click. And if we select the double click, then when we will press single click, it will be used for selection, and double click for opening any file or folder. Now let's see the sticky keys feature. Go to ease of access center, then go to
always scan this section.
Make our keyboard easier to use. Make the keyboard easier to use. Then go to sticky keys, turn on sticky keys. What happens when we have to use Alt F4 together? So some few people cannot click them all together. So you can use the sticky keys. Then you can have a gap. Means first you can press Alt, then you can press F4. It will work similarly. But for
always
me,
scan this
it
section.
is better to work together. So I don't need the sticky keys. And there are different power modes. Shutdown is used to shut your computer, restart to restart your computer again, and there are two more modes, hibernate and sleep mode. When you put a computer on hibernate mode, what will happen, that whatever work you are doing, it will means come to full power operation, keeping your all your files safe, and it will you can work again from that point. And when you will keep your computer in the sleep mode, it will come to full power operation, and it will start again working. But hibernate mode is more useful than the sleep mode. It will consume less power in the hibernate mode than in the sleep mode. That's all for today. I will give you some worksheet. Please complete it on time. See you in the next class.